Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to increase font size in Obsidian notes. So let's head over. Now what we are going to do is hold Ctrl and scroll your mouse wheel up um, through the text. So as you can see, if I do that and press Ctrl, and now with the wheel up and down, but nothing's happened. So what we are need to do, if you don't have it, we will go to the settings bottom left corner and then select appearance and scroll down to the font, and you will see here quick font size adjustment. So toggle this on. All right, now let's try right now. So okay, as you can see now, basically we size up the font but also everything else together. And yeah, this is pretty much the quick way how you can do that. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the